Welcome to our Cavitex C5 link Expressway Segment 2 update as of January 2024. Segment 2 is approximately 2 kilometers connecting Amvel to Cavitex. We are currently showing to you the Cavitex interchange. Once connected, there will be 4 accesses between C5 link and Cavitex. There will be an exit going towards Kawit via Cavitex coming from Amvel or C5 road. Another will be an entry coming from Rojas Boulevard going to Amvel C5. An exit towards Rojas Boulevard will also be available from Amvel C5. And lastly, entry into C5 link coming from Longos Zapote interchange and Kawit. We are currently in the Cavitex R1 interchange. Currently, we are showing on the main line up to Quirino Avenue in Paranaque City. Here is a bridge connecting the main line crossing Quirino Avenue. This is near the Saulog Bus Terminal and the 88 Square Mall. The construction team was working double time before 2023 ended with consecutive days of girdle lifting activity. This area used to have properties but were demolished to make way for the mainline alignment. Soon, there will be fencing on both sides of this alignment. Let us see the girder installation progress of Segment 2. The alignment overlaps with the LRT Line 1 Cavite Extension project. We are crossing the Kaiboboy Creek. The alignment is just beside the Dr. A. Santos Avenue station of the train line. Before the end of December 2023, the contractors successfully completed the girder installation above Dr. A. Santos Avenue or Sucat Road. 10 girders were installed from 1 to 6 o'clock in the morning. The alignment is near SM Sucat and the San Dionisio Barangay Hall. MSE walls are also seen along Sucat Road. Earth-filled and MSE walls will connect the bridge above Dr. A. Santos Avenue to the Sucat Amvel interchange. We are seeing the old Sucat Road where the alignment will cross. The area with the tall gantry is where the girders are manufactured. Since girder works on segment 2 is almost complete, Clearing will commence on the area to make way for the construction of the carriageway and access. There are remaining girders for the Dr. A. Santos Avenue access. The next segment is 3B, which will bypass the dreaded Kaingin multinational intersection. Hopefully, we will see progress on this area soon. This will connect and complete the whole Cavitex C5 link alignment. This is the bridge that will connect to Dr. A. Santos Avenue as access road. An entry coming from Dr. A. Santos Avenue towards Cavitex, and an exit coming from C5 Road going to Dr. A. Santos Avenue. The Sucat interchange will have entry and exits along C5 Road Extension and Dr. A. Santos Avenue, while there is also an access coming from C5 Road Extension, going to C5 Road, and an exit coming from Cavitex.